In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a beat in Soundtrap using the patterns beatmaker. First, open your web browser and head to soundtrap.com. Log into your account, and if you have more than one available, choose the one you want to use for this session. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct profile so all your work ends up in the right place. Next, create a new project or open an existing one if you've already started something. If you're starting fresh, a blank project is perfect for experimenting. After you make your selection, give the studio a moment to load. Depending on your internet speed and how many tracks were in your last session, this may take a few seconds. Waiting for everything to fully load helps prevent glitches while you're building your beat. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the Patterns Beatmaker. This is Soundtrap's step sequencer, and it's designed to make beat building quick and visual. Click it to open the Beatmaker interface. You'll see a grid where time moves left to right, and each row represents a different drum sound or instrument. Before you start placing notes, choose your instrument. Pick a drum kit or sound set that fits the mood you're going for, something that matches your theme. If you're aiming for a chilled lo-fi feel, try a softer, dusty kit. For energetic pop or hip-hop, a punchy 808 or modern kit works well. Take a second to preview a few options. Selecting the right sound up front makes everything else click into place. Now it's time to make a pattern for your beat. Start simple. Place your kick on strong counts to anchor the groove and add a snare on the backbeat to create that familiar pulse. Layer in hi-hats to fill the space and create momentum. You can keep the hats steady for a relaxed feel or add a few extra steps for a more intricate rhythm. Use the play button to loop your pattern and listen as you adjust. If your kit allows, slightly vary the note accents so the beat feels more human and less robotic. Take your time here. Let the loop run and make small tweaks. Move a kick forward, drop a snare for a bar, or open a hi-hat to create a lift. Focus on how the pattern supports your theme. When it feels right and the groove locks in, you've done it. That's the core of building a beat in Soundtrap with the Patterns Beatmaker.